It is time. It's over the lightning round. Play this out. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Ski? That's over the lightning round. Let's start with Carlo in New Jersey. Carlo.
Hey, Jim. How are you?
I am good, Carlo. How about you?
All right. I'm doing good. Thanks for taking my call, Jim. Great show. Watch you all the time.
Thank you, Carlo. Thank you.
My stock, Jim, is Pfizer. I like the company. I like the CEO.
No, I like Pfizer, CEO, terrific. But you know what we like here? We like Lilly or J&J. J&J, perhaps the most hated pharmaceutical in the world because of the talc litigation, which I think will be resolved to the positive of J&J. Let's go to Michael in New Jersey. Michael.
Hey, booyah, Jimmy. This is awesome. Michael here from Waldwick, New Jersey in Bergen County. I bought this stock in 2019, pays a small dividend. I'm up 110%. I'm doing more homework. What do you think about TradeWeb Markets?
I like a non-financial financial. In other words, they actually just do trading. They got no interest rate risk. It's a good one. I think you have a fine choice there. Let's go to Adam in Illinois. Adam.
Hey, Jim. Booyah.
Booyah, Adam.
A few months ago, in a fit of irrational exuberance, I bought something called Square, now called Block, but it's performed more like Blech. So what do? Hang on, cut my losses, total, or what?
I don't like the stock. First of all, I always like a company as a CEO. It's just something I'm kind of focused on. And then second, I don't like any of the financials that are in that segment. We're going to have to just say, look, we'll probably get a lift. There's always somebody who's out there just so eager to get their business that they'll say something positive about them and maybe get a little lift on that kind of faux rally. Let's go to Joe in New York. Joe.
Jim, happy booyah to ya.
Right back at you, my friend. What's happening?
Listen, Jim, as this big tech company tries to win the AI race, I'm concerned that their chat AI-like offerings may cannibalize their paid search and display ad revenue streams. What are your thoughts on Google?
That's why we sold a tad of it after owning it for years and years for the Travel Trust. And I said exactly like that to club members. I said, I got to cut it back a little because I am worried about the fact that they could be cannibalizing. That said, they're awful smart people. They got a lot of things cooking. So we did not sell it all. We just sold some. I need to go to Alan in Florida. Alan.
Booyah to you, Jimmy Chill.
Yo, what's happening?
Jimmy, I keep hearing there's a nuclear renaissance taking place worldwide. There's a new technology changing the game, small modular reactors. Bill Gates has a lot to do that. Bank of America is climbing on board. And from what I hear, there's not enough North American uranium. Is it too early for a stock like Uranium Energy Corp?
I do think it's too early. I agree with you. Small module are definitely going to come back. I agree with you that it's a terrific concept, that it's very good for the environment. But I will say it is too early to buy that uranium stock. How about we go to David in Iowa? David.
Yes, Jim, you said something about oil stocks yesterday, and I'm just wondering about the KRP, and that's not the radio station, that's oil stock.
No, it's got a good yield. I mean, it's a distribution situation. I like it very much. I happen to like that kind of stock. Let's go to Jim in Virginia. Jim.
Hi. Jim, I'm talking to you about Hannon Armstrong.
I don't like companies that lend. This is a debt lender. I want to be an equity holder. I'm going to have to say no, thank you. Let's go to Skip in Connecticut. Skip.
Oh, yeah, Jim. I need some help.
I'm here for you.
All right, I'm sending my kids to mail order college. I'm anchoring their portfolio with TFC.
Okay, well, TFC is true. It's a really good bank, but until we get finished with the banking crisis and find out how much the FDIC is going to charge them and how much they're going to be able to lend, I am reluctant to say go buy Truist as much as I think it is a good situation. It's a good situation that does not make it into a good stock. Let's go to Greg in Tennessee. Greg.
Good day, Mr. Kramer. It's a pleasure to talk to you.
Same.
Yeah, my question is about Air Products, APD.
I didn't like the quarter at all. It was a major disappointment. Why buy Air Products when you can buy Linde, which is a competitor that is doing far better, which my Travel Trust owns, and we talk about endlessly in the CNBC Investing Club. Linde is the one to own if you want to be in that business. Paul in Massachusetts. Paul.
Hey, Jim. Thanks for taking my call. I just wanted to see what you thought about the stock HubSpot.
All right, now the last quarter for HubSpot was good. Now the stock is going up, 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 up for that quarter. And you know what? I'm done with it. I think it's time to ring the register. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by TD Ameritrade. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.